everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the first experience of mine from buying from Cups and Lashes. So this app is completely new for me because I didn't shop anything from this website before. So in this video I am going to share with you what I have bought from the app and how are the products and the delivery time and the packaging and all the other details will be in this video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, let me first talk a little bit about the app. So this app is new for me, as I have said. So I just bought very few things from this app because when I buy anything from a new app, I didn't buy a lot because I don't know how the app is and how the products will be and how the packaging will be. So I just go for the lesser products. So this time I have bought some brushes and a beauty blender and the liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to show you those things in a bit, but let me just talk about their delivery time. I just ordered my items on 20th of July and I received my items on 25th of August. So guys, can you imagine, I received all my products after more than 1 month.
मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है.
So this is really very disappointing. So I have to call their customer services for 4 times to know how far the products have reached and when it will be delivered to me. When I order some products from Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa, Purple.com or any other websites, they deliver their products within 4 to 5 days. In fact, sometimes I got my products in 2 to 3 days, or maximum if I talk about the time of any websites, they take maximum 7 days to deliver their products. But with Cups and Lashes, they deliver their products in more than 1 month. So I was like, what is happening, guys? So I called them and they said that our products is stuck in somewhere due to this lockdown and all. But I am worrying that all the other websites are delivering their product in this lockdown at the right time. But why can't they deliver their products in right time? So this is a down point of this app, I think. And one more thing, guys, when I received my package finally, the packaging was really very bad, guys, because when we ordered anything from the other websites, we get a proper cardboard box, and between the cardboard box the products are wrapped in bubble wrap. So they don't deliver their product in any box, they don't have any cardboard packaging, they just wrap their products in bubble wrap, though they have packed it with 3 or 4 times with bubble wrap. But when I received some products, like I have received this Blue Heaven ka beauty blender. So when I received it, let me show you how it was. It was completely squeezed like this. When I opened my packaging, it was completely squeezed like this, and I was really worried that whether the beauty blender will come in its original shape or not. But thankfully, after washing it, it has taken its original shape. And with the brushes also, when I removed it from the packaging, it was completely squeezed, and I am really worried that what has happened. So guys, just imagine if I ordered some eyeshadow or some compact powder, what has happened to them, because they are not delivering it with the proper packaging. So that's again a thumbs down for them. But the products are really good, I must say. I really like their products. And one more thing which I want to add in this is, when you open their app Cups and Lashes, it just doesn't open every time quickly. It takes a little bit more time. It just goes scrolling, and after few seconds it's open. And in fact, it happens to me many times that I tried 4 to 5 times to open the app. So that's again a thumbs down. And Okay, one more thing, I have logged in the app and 3 to 4 times it happens that I am automatically logged out from the app. I don't know what is happening and why this is happening, so that's again a thumbs down. But the customer care is really good, I can say, because every time I have called them, they picked up my phone and they have uh, talked to me very sweetly that don't worry ma'am, your packaging will be delivered in some days, and if the packaging will not be delivered to you, you can ask for a refund. But I didn't ask for the refund because I wanted to see how much time it can take to deliver their package. But as I have said that I like their product, so I think I will give this app a next try, because maybe this time there is some problem with their delivery system. But let me see what happens the next time. So now let's quickly see what I have got from their app. So the first thing which I want to show you guys is a face makeup brush. This is a foundation brush and the packaging is like this. It is a normal cardboard packaging and it has a very nice pink color, and you will get all the details in at the back. And this brush cost me 225 rupees, and inside the brush is packed with a plastic wrap, and here is the product. So this brush is a dupe of Sigma's foundation brush, and as you guys know that Sigma का brushes बहुत ही महंगा होता है, and comparing to that, this brush is just for 225 rupees. And trust me guys, this brush is like wow, I really love this brush. Guys, normally I don't use brushes to do my base makeup, especially foundation. I use brushes to do my eyeshadow, and for my base makeup I like to use beauty blenders. But this time I think that I should give the brushes a try, and the first foundation brush which I have is this, and I really love this brush guys. It has a slant cut at the top, as you can see. It has a slant cut, and the bristles are really very soft. These are really very soft bristles guys, and it is really very dense, as you can see. And the body of the brush is a matte black color, and it has written cuffs and lashes on it, and the top half is a shiny black color. And this brush's number is F013. So I will highly recommend this brush to you guys, because this really blends the foundation so nicely and it just glides on the skin so softly. I really love this brush guys. So the next brush is also my favorite brush, and this again comes in a pink packaging, and this is a concealer brush, and the brush looks like the same. They are all brushes have this same thing. The body is a matte black color and the top half is a shiny black color, and it has written cups and lashes in golden, as you can see. And the number of this brush is F011. So this is a concealer brush, and again it is a dupe of the Sigma concealer brush, and this cost only 175 rupees. And I again love this brush guys. It has a slant cut at the top, as you can see, and again it is really very dense and the bristles are really very soft. And these bristles are synthetic bristles, and these brushes are totally made by hand, as they claims, and these are all made in India. So if you don't want to buy China products, so these brushes are a great option for you. So guys, as it has a slant cut, so it is really very easy to go to your inner corners and the areas which your normal brushes can't reach, and it is really very easy to blend your concealer. And I am so in love with this brush guys. I will highly recommend this brush to you. And the next brush which I want to show you guys again comes in this packaging, and this is a eyeshadow smudger brush, and the number of the brush is E006, and it has a dense tip, as you can see. But let me be honest guys, I don't like this brush as the previous two, because for me eyeshadow smudger brush has to be really very precise and small, but this brush doesn't look like that small. And if you want to smudge your lower lash line with this brush, I don't think that this is a good one for that purpose. You can surely do your crease and the precise work you want to do at your crease. You can do those things with this brush, but not for smudging your lower lash line. And as considering that this brush is called a eyeshadow smudger brush, I don't recommend you guys to buy this if you want to buy a good smudger brush, because I want to show you the two smudger brush which I have. So this one is from Miniso. As you can see, it has a really very small and precise tip. And the next one is from Color Bar. So this is again a eyeshadow smudger brush. So you can surely compare these two brushes with the Cups and Lashes one. And can you see guys, these two are very small and precise comparing to the Cups and Lashes one. So I don't think that this is a good brush for smudging your eyeshadow, especially at your lower lash line. But this brush is good for doing the precise work at your crease, and also you can use this for your outer corner. And the price of this brush is 135 rupees. And that is it for the brushes. And the next thing I want to show you guys is a beauty blender, and this is from Blue Heaven, and it also cost 135 rupees. And it has a normal plastic kind of packaging, and the blender looks like this. It is completely dry now, but you can see how squeezy it is. This is not hard at all. This is so soft and squeezy, and when you make it wet, it increases a little bit in its size. And I really like this beauty blender. It's blends your foundation like a dream. I really like this, and this is really very affordable, and I highly recommend this to you guys. And the next and the last thing I want to show you guys is a liquid eyeshadow, and this is from Blue Heaven again, and this cost 148 rupees. And this is in the shade Sapphire, and this is available in 7 to 8 other shades as I remember. And I had a liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty, and that is in the shade Gold, so I picked this one up. This is a copper color kind of, you can say, and the applicator is like this. And when you if you are in a hurry and you don't have time to do a full eye makeup look, so just grab a liquid eyeshadow like this and put it all over on your lid, and you will get a metallic and a beautiful eye look. So this looks like this, and you don't have to put any eyeshadow glue or glitter glue, because it has a glue in it, as it is a liquid eyeshadow, and it really gives you a beautiful look and in few seconds. So it is really very easy to apply, and I really like this, and I will highly recommend these liquid eyeshadows to you. So that is it for today guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and also comment down below whether you have bought anything from Cups and Lashes and what is your experience, what about the delivery time, and what about the packaging. I will really like to know your experience. And also follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.